Okay, we get requests to be able to create build assemblies with a mobile app so that you can do manufacturing and have people on the line creating builds when products getting created and scanning barcodes and so forth. I want to show you the new count inventory create builds functionality where you can add builds and create them right from the mobile device. There are some limitations to what the API allows us to do, but I'm going to show you just a quick demo here, and you could call us anytime to go over details here. But basically, I'm going to close this build screen in QuickBooks so it doesn't interfere, but we're going to create a build for this whip test 2 item, and I'll create it for quantity 5 here. Okay, so let's just go ahead. I'm just going to close the build screen here, and we'll just bring this over, and let's just create a build for this item, and we're just going to create quantity 5, easy to remember, and we're going to make that build get put into, we have a certain bin set up, and I'll explain more about that in a little bit here for doing that. Okay, we're going to use this bin. We're just going to create 5 of this build assembly item. Okay, so it's going to go ahead, create the build, give us a success. So we're going to look in the build area now to see if that build with quantity 5 was made, and clear this out. This is another one that was in there. We made quantity 5 of the whip test item here into QuickBooks just now in today's date. So again, quick and easy way to make build assemblies in QuickBooks Enterprise by using a mobile app. There's other things for verifying builds that we can do as well. Give AccuWare a call anytime to go over and get more details on how to get more mobility capability out of your QuickBooks Enterprise. Thanks.